Hey, what's up, y'all? This your girl Chanel, and I'm back with another video. It's been a minute, but your girl is back, and I'm gonna be giving y'all all the gems on how to install these lace frontals the way that they need to be installed, honey. So y'all already know it. Before we even get started, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also if y'all ain't follow me over on Instagram or TikTok, y'all already know who it is. It's Chanel the Stylist. Go and give me that follow, honey. So anyways, let's get into this installment. So as you can see, I already did my braid down, honey. My braid probably like 6 braids at the most. I don't do that many because it don't take all that. So you can do however many braids you want to, but I'm telling y'all, it does not take all that. So just keep it simple. For me, 6 braids is good. And then I give me a so I like to use the mesh stocking cap. It's just like a HD method of a stocking cap. It's really clear. So when it goes on, you can add your spray to it, which is the black got to be spray. I love it, y'all, because it always seal and melt that cap down for me. So I always apply that first, and then after that you will see what's next, honey. So go and get your blow dryer out and get busy. Y'all already know it has to be dry before you get to apply anything. I say clear. It's the motive, okay? So focus on the clearness, okay?
Rewind, come again.
So next we are going to go in after it dries. You're going to make sure you go through the middle and get to sealing it down, cutting it up. You already know, cut the extra lace off, whatever you want to do. We'll cut the extra, y'all know what I'm trying to say, cap off. So if you want to do that, you can do that, but just make sure you do not cut near your hair. You want to make sure you cut around the hair, because you want to lay that lace frontal down on the sides for your sideburns. So make sure you keep as much cap on the side as possible. So y'all know I'm very uncut and raw, so I'm gonna give it to you how you see it. Okay, so now I'm going back in and I'm gonna be cutting this extra excessive cap off. Yeah, we got that on my lash, but y'all already know we're gonna pick that up. But yes, y'all, so just keep on watching. That's all I'm doing right here, is just taking all that excessive off. So honey, yes, when that done, you should be looking all bald and cute, okay? So let's get started. So I have the Ruby Cream Foundation. I like to go in with my color, Pacific, but you can get these at your local beauty parlor or whatever. However you want to do it. Anywhere you can buy that makeup, at any store, honey, it's going to be there, okay? So just make sure you focus on your tone. You want to match it up to you. And as y'all can see, I normally get more. I buy more because I do installments. If you would like to book with me, you can book with me on Style Seat. Or you can book with me on my links. They will be in the bio, honey. I do travel and do these installments. If you like to take a class or whatnot, just come on and holler at your girl. Okay, so anyway, let's get back into this. So as you see, I'm already rubbing this in, okay? And I'm gonna get it as dark as I can. That's gonna blend in with my tone. Understand? I'm saying my tone. I'm not saying your tone, not your friend or your cousin tone. I'm talking about my tone, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm installing this, and we putting that color up in there, and it's gonna like eliminate that line. So just pay attention, okay, y'all? Don't y'all see that? Okay? Do you see that? Honey, it's giving. Okay, we getting a little bit dark over here, but it's gonna look just right when we put on that unit, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna blend in so well. You're not gonna be able to see where the lines start, whatever. Okay, just keep on watching, y'all, cause we getting there. And for the ones that stayed into this video, keep watching to the end because I do have some important information for y'all. So continue to watch, and thank you. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, keep on watching. Okay. So yes, y'all, there it goes right there. Do you see it? Yeah. So next, we're gonna go ahead and level this up. The wig sometimes might come kind of large, so y'all already know I got a small head. So what you want to do is grab those protectively scissors. Okay, I'm not telling you to do it. You do. I'm not. This is entertainment purposes only. If you know how to install, if you know how to place it, you want to be very, very careful when you're doing this. Okay. So you want to part your line right around that ear area. Pull it down to your front end. That hair right there, you're going to pull it down, okay? And you want to go ahead, grab those little clip ends, that little clip or whatever, and you're going to go around that perimeter. You want to go around and to the end, okay? Just keep watching. So y'all know my head is so small, so I be needing like some smaller units. But this unit, I actually got this unit from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description below. I do reviews on wigs, but this is just my personal review on this wig. I will let y'all know if I like it or anything else on what's the different things that happen with this unit. So I will keep you all updated. Just keep on watching. So as you see, I am cutting around that ear. You see that? And you want to continue to do that. You want to make sure that your ear has space to breathe, and don't be like painful or anything, you know, because sometimes some people can do your installment and it can be so close to your ear where it kind of like irritates you. So make sure it's very, very comfortable to your head. Okay, so you're gonna do the other side the same exact way. I cut just a little bit more. So now I go in with my boho glue, which is one of my favorites. I'm gonna go in with my glue and make sure you push it down to the front. Seal it on down. And you're just gonna continue to do that. And make sure, y'all, anytime you putting that glue down, make sure you hitting the cap as well. You don't just want to apply it to the in front of the cap where the line is. You want to make sure you get into the cap as well, because you want this to stick. You want this to like stick on all that perimeter when you get ready to lay it down, okay? So I normally go in with the glue maybe 2 to 3 times. So if you see me applying it again, it's because I actually blow dry and I go in again and I apply it again until it turns clear. So now I'm just going in with the blow dry. Like I told y'all before, I always want to make sure you blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. Please do not lay your wig down if your glue is still white, okay? Do not do it, because if you do it, you're going to mess up the process. So again, we're going back in again with more glue. You want to make sure it is going clear before you lay it down, okay? Simple. If you can remember that, everything else will be perfect. If you can remember that, everything else will be perfect. Simple.
Switch it up.
So yes, we are doing the lay down part. So we done with this part right here. So as you can see, like I said, after it shows up clear, it's gonna look like very, very clear once you lay it. So that's why it's very important to make sure that it is clear before you lay it down. Also, before I even like put this unit on, I shampooed it or whatever, but that's another story. Like, if y'all want to know how to get your blondes this color without it being that ashy yellow when you purchase them, just let me know and I'll do another video on how to show you how to shampoo your unit out. So as you see, I'm just going over getting the excessive lace that I see, and then we're just gonna keep it moving. So yes, after I get done with that, I just respray it again with my black spray, and then I put on my tie down. And this is where you get to styling where you want to, however you want to style it. This is your chance to do so. I always use my hot comb to make sure I lay every inch of it down. I also use certain products, so I will list those products below. I do use a heat protector when I'm doing the pressing. That's very, very important because you don't want to burn the hair. And you also want to make sure that you know that this hair lasts for a while. So we'll go from there. So as you see, I already had pinned it up because I was going to do an up down with this style. So just keep watching. So now that I got everything slick, we are going to start working on this pony. Okay. So this is the overall look. If you like it, please like this video. Please share and subscribe. Check out my TikTok. If y'all ain't seen it yet, go check it out because your girl always with the comedian, okay?